Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to delete your Chat GPT account permanently. So any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up your browser and now type down help.openai.com. Now with this, you'll be led to AI's Help Center. Once the page opens up, click on the General Top FAQ option. And now scroll down and tap on How can I delete my account? Now here, you'll be shown two methods to delete your Chat GPT account. One is through help chat while logged into website, and the other one is by sending an email. My advice for you is to choose method number 2, which is by sending an email, because in this method you just need to send an email to deletion@openai.com from your email address, which is associated with your ChatGPT account. Here I'll show you. Click on the email deletion@openai.com, and once your mailbox opens up, type down account deletion request in the subject line. And then in the body section, you can add please delete my account, and then finally hit the send button. With this, your account deletion request will be sent, and it might take you a few weeks for the account to be officially deleted. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.